Hello guys, so I will be editing one of my YouTube videos in Ovary Studio. So as you can see, I have three monitor setup, 1, 2, 3. So the middle one has my shortcuts, video editor, my browser at the right, then on my left I have my folders. So let's start. So right now I can see on my screens without any issues. So this is just a proof of, working in VR itself instead of just doing the review of VR apps. So I show you the practicality of actually working in VR. So right now I'm going to be transferring the video I just shot of the review of this app from my Quest headset, which is currently plugged to my system right now. K26. So this is it. This. I think I only have 2 videos right now that I want to use. I'm sure of that. Then I've created a folder, my folder, so which is the review. So I'm going to move these two, going to move them here. So as that is going on, I'm going to go to playlist right here. So once it's done, I'm going to drag the videos to this. So guys, I'm like 2-3 minutes in and I'm loving it. Cool. Then let me drag these two guys, drag them to the playlist. So it's going to probably ask me to convert it. Yes. So I'm going to go to the best quality. So if I go to advanced for the first time, so keep it as original. So let's go for the best quality. So it's going to create, so yeah, a job right here. You can see pending job right here. So the environment is actually too bright for me. Let me reduce the lightning in the environment. So no, I'm not using Xpen, please. I just want to go to menu, and if I go to space, go to active, then you can actually dim the light of the environment, and I can switch the sunset around. So I'm facing the beach right now, and the sunset is right there, and I've just like dim the environment, so which will allow me to concentrate on what I'm doing. Good. So let's go. The videos 73%, so still converting the first one. So we're going to wait for that. So I'm going to cut this video now and wait until it's done converting my video. Yeah, so the videos are done converting. So right now I noticed something, so which is the video playing is skipping, right? So the frame is skipping, and I'm sure it's not the video. I'm 100% sure of that. So let's check my system spec. We can see my CPU is at 18-20% with a spike to like 92. My memory is quite stable. I'm using 16 gig memory. My DICS is fine, Ethernet is fine, Wi-Fi is fine. My GPU is a 1940 58% percent tops. So I'm using integrated GPU, Intel HUD graphics 620, and I don't think it's too cumbersome. It should be too much for it. So I do not know why the video is actually skipping. So I don't think I can cope with this. So let me pause this and actually play the video here from my system directly in the Windows player, and let's see. So you might probably need more specs to actually play videos, I guess, but let's see. Yeah, same thing here. The video is skipping, as you can see. Like I can see skips, like video keeps skipping, and so I think I have to call it here and go back to my normal screen, right? I don't think this is usable when it comes to video editing with probably my spec. So you might have to try it with an higher spec, right? So you might have to try with an higher spec and see how that stacks up, right? So yeah, guys, follow me for more review and let me know anything you also want me to review in the comments below. Bye, guys.